Long form videos do rubbish on YouTube, on TikTok, on Instagram. You need to take your long form videos and chop them up into the best parts. But AI can do that for you. I'm sure you already know AI can do that for you. But check out this tool. If you click on tools here at the top and click on long to shorts, basically you can literally first of all select where you want the subtitles to go. After that, you can select the length of the shorts. Let me just zoom in here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So you can choose how long the shorts will be. So you can do it 1 to 2 minutes, 30 seconds, 2 to 3 minutes. You can choose the different options and give the AI the flexibility to choose. Then you can choose how many shorts to create from this long form video. So right now, this video is an 8-minute video. And so we can choose how many. So you can choose up to 5. You can choose 1 or 5. So let's say I choose 3 to 4 shorts and I want them all to be either 30 seconds or 1 to 2 minutes long. Then I can put a prompt where I'm going to let the AI focus on something. Find the most high value viral moments. And then I click the generate shorts. So basically very easy. It's very simple. I generate shorts and in a number of seconds, it's going to generate for me a number of shorts where I can literally publish them to all of my channels in one click. So as you can see, it says bribing the algorithm. And then it's going to create a short form video from my long video. So if you're recording yourself in front of the camera, this is going to be the perfect way to edit your videos and create multiple short clips from one long clip. So this app is called Zippyclip. Make sure you save this video so you don't forget what it's called. And it's going to automate all of your video editing. It also has insane AI functionality like adding animations on top of the video, which is remotions and hyperframes. It has the ability to chop up your video and remove any garbage, any wasted, moments where the user's probably going to drop off. And as you can see, this long to shorts function is insane because basically it can literally make for you a number of short form videos from one long form video. And we're about to see an example of this. When it's ready, I'm actually going to play one of the shorts from this to show you exactly what it sounds like. So in a number of seconds, it's going to be ready. All right, so it's all ready. So here are the 4 short videos. Not sure if you can see them all. Let me shrink my screen a little bit. You can see it's made 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one is called This App Kills Video Editors. Let's watch that little clip that it created. Claude Code does not kill video editors because you can't see what you're doing. But this app up here does kill video editors because you can see exactly what you're doing. Check this out. When you first put your video in, it asks you, hey, want to upload your file? Fantastic. So that's one video. Let's see another one. But this app up here does kill video editors because you can see exactly what you're doing. Check this out. I can literally write a prompt down here like cut the very best moments, the most viral, crazy moments to make this video the most unbelievable and viral video in the world. Now I'm going to hit send, but before I do that, remember this is a 5-minute video before I started. Now I'm going to click send and watch what happens. So can you see it's taken from the long form video, it's created multiple shorts. Let's listen to one more. It has an unbelievable function, which is called automate. Let me take you back there a second. At the top of the screen, there's a button that says automate. Yeah, when you click on that button, you are literally going to make yourself a millionaire. And I'll tell you why, yeah? When you click on automate, you can create a new automation. And over here, you can automate video editing by dropping a file into any folder that you choose on your PC. That's one, and then there's one more. Let's listen to the last one. And it looks a bit like a freaking game. There's freaking graphics. Like you feel like you're playing a game. You don't feel like you're editing anymore. You're chatting with an AI. You're saying, hey, what's up? This is a secret tip because you stayed till the end. If you link that folder that you've chosen up here to Google Drive, you'll be able to put from your phone, a video you recorded on your phone, into that Google Drive folder, which is linked to Zippyclip, and it will edit that video and publish it to all of your channels directly, guys. Insanity. Give me a like for this one. Come on. And it looks a bit like a freaking game. You see that? It took the long form video, it took the best parts out, and then it literally basically it just took the most amazing parts. You can see in some of them it says 2 segments, 3 segments, 4 segments. It's telling me which part of the video were taken, how many bits and pieces of the video were put together to create this short video. And just because you stay till the end, let me just show you how I automate this entire flow. Now, I downloaded all of these videos. I downloaded them all, and all I need to do now is drop them into a folder called uploads over here. And after I do that, I'm literally going to be able to, it's literally going to start posting them. Now, let me just show you that. Guys, stick with me for a second. What I'm about to show you is how I get Zippy Clip to edit multiple files in one go. So I'm just going to take these 3 shorts. I'm going to drop them into this folder right here. And instantly what you're going to see now is magic. It's literally going to start editing the first one and all of them actually. Look, it's already started. I just dropped them into a folder and it's going to start doing what I told it to do in the original prompt. So as you can see, it's doing the live. This is the prompt, the automation prompt. You see, it knows the skills it needs: the B-roll maker, hyperframe, subtitles, clip sequencer, frame snapshot, and multi-action. These are the skills that this AI tool needs in order to edit this YouTube short video. Now, what you're about to see, it's going to add effects to the video as well. Now, I didn't talk about this till now, but you're about to see this happen live. I'm going to let you watch. And remember, this is unbelievable. It's adding now the subtitles. It's going to put them in the middle. It's going to create multiple effects, which is absolutely unbelievable. Fantastic. See you in the next video, and bye for now.